Well, I hope you're excited by what can be achieved with Excel to build interactive dashboards and reports. I've shown you how quick and easy it is to put together an interactive dashboard using the tools you already have available in Excel. No complex VBA coding, no expensive add-ins or other programs required. And the best part is, when you set it up the right way, you can update your dashboards and reports with new data with just a few clicks. Now, included with this lecture is a PDF with links to where you can download the PowerPoint presentation and Excel workbook, including the dashboard and raw data and other resources I mentioned throughout the mini course. I recommend you download them and try to replicate the dashboard you saw me build. You might need to watch parts of the videos again to clarify some of the steps. Now, I've only been able to touch the surface of what's possible with Excel dashboards in this mini course, but my hope is that you've picked up a few tips as well as experienced the power of Excel for building dashboards and are able to put together some pretty impressive reports using pivot tables and slicers. Although the dashboard I just showed you used pivot tables for the analysis, if you're more of a formula fan, then in my comprehensive online Excel dashboard course, available from my own site, I teach you how to create the same interactivity with formulas and data validation or combo boxes, as you can see here, which is also an alternative to slicers for Excel 2007 users. So don't feel you have to know pivot tables to create a dashboard in Excel. Plus, when you set up your formulas so they're linked to data stored in Excel tables, they will also update your dashboard report as soon as you paste in the new data. So updating them can be just as quick, if not quicker, than I've shown you in this mini course. So go ahead and download the supporting files for this mini course, as there's a ton of resources that go into more detail on the techniques I use to build this dashboard. And if you want to take your skills to the next level, please check out my comprehensive dashboard course at my own website, myonlinetraininghub.com. Happy dashboarding!